Oh, hello, friend. I didn't see you there. Don't mind me. I was just looking at these empty test tubes. You must be here about protein folding. Fortunately for you, I was just about to talk about that thing. Huh? So, protein folding is the process by which proteins get their shape and ultimately get their function. And so, protein folding has four different levels. The first level of protein folding, primary folding, okay, is simply the sequence of amino acids, right? The order in which the amino acids show up. So here in my beautiful fuzzy stick bead model, okay, the order of the colors is my primary folding. Okay? Straight line, just whatever color show up, right? So I got like purple, pink, green, yellow, purple. Those represent different amino acids. So the order in which the amino acids show up is our primary structure. Okay. Our secondary structure is formed when the different amino acids create hydrogen bonds between each other. Right? And so some of the amino acids, like other amino acids, and that will fold up the protein, okay, and they'll form little hydrogen bonds in between. Now, those individual hydrogen bonds aren't particularly strong, but you form lots of them between all these different amino acids, and together, collectively, they are pretty strong. Right? They'll hold that protein in its shape, in its form. Okay. Now, hydrogen bonds are sensitive to things like heat and acidity. So that's why if you heat a protein up or you put it in acid or a base, the protein will unfold, called denaturing, right? But we don't want to do that right now. We want to keep this nice and folded. Okay. So that's my secondary structure. Hydrogen bonds are holding this guy in this little ball. Okay. Once we have this little ball, right, some covalent bonds will form between different amino acids in here. Right? And so there's different kind of bonds like disulfide bonds, right? And they just kind of solidify this shape, right? Maybe tweak it a little bit like that, but overall it doesn't change the shape very much. Okay? And that is one of our proteins, okay? Up through tertiary bonding, that's a protein. And this protein will have a function, right? And so maybe this little region sticking out right here is hydrophobic, and it will make this protein hydrophobic, so it tries to stay away from water. Right? Not just its properties, and somehow that makes the protein do its job. Okay. Now, there is a last level of folding that some proteins go through, and that's quaternary folding, right? And so this is one protein. If I have another protein, and these two proteins like each other, and they connect, okay, now I have a nice big, sexy protein structure here, this big protein complex. Okay, that connection of those two different proteins is quaternary folding. Okay, and that's it. Protein folding done. Bye.